Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome you all again to class of English, and today we'll discuss about one of the grammar topic, and the topic is about determiners. First of all, we must know that what are determiners. Actually, determiners are known as the modifiers, and they fix, define or determine the nouns that follow them. For example, I will say he wants to be a doctor. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here in these sentences, they are determiners. So determiners has a very long list. So let's take a look that which words are known as determiners. So articles, demonstratives, possessives, indefinite adjectives and others like indefinite pronouns, cardinals and numerals, all these are known as determiners. So let's see more about this. So first we'll talk about the function of an article. We know that there are two types of article. Then one is definite article and the other one are indefinite articles. The is known as the definite article and whereas and n are known as indefinite article. What is the meaning of the definite article? That the article that points out or talks about a particular person or thing, that would be known as the definite article. If we talk about the article the, it specifies or it talks about or it points out a particular person, thing or place. And if we talk about the indefinite article, they just point out a thing, person or place of common. They don't specifically point out anything. So they are known as indefinite articles. So what is the function of an article as determined? The article indicates or tells about the coming of a noun. So it means that an article precedes a noun. So articles are always used before a noun, and we know that determiners are the words that modify the nouns or they tell about or they determine or fix the nouns that follow them. So articles indicate the coming of a noun, means that an article always precedes a noun. As I have already told you, articles are of two types. The first one is indefinite article and the second are indefinite articles. A and N are known as indefinite articles and whereas the is known as definite article. So as we know that definite article points out about a particular thing, person or place, and whereas indefinite article A and N talk about indefinite, means not a particular person, place or thing. So what are the main functions of indefinite articles? To tell that the noun it precedes doesn't refer to any particular person or thing, and they always use before a singular countable noun. The first condition singular and the second one countable. We'll say pencil. Pencil is a singular as well as we can count pencil. So an article, indefinite article A or N would be used before a singular countable noun. Means when we talk about one person or one thing, that it would be a singular. Girl, boy, chair, blackboard, fan, a man, a girl, all these are one. So for example, where indefinite article are used when the noun is mentioned for the first time. So when the noun is mentioned for the first time, suppose we'll say once upon a time there was a farmer. So farmer, we know that is talking about a farmer to whom we doesn't know, and moreover it is mentioned for the first time. And to express quantity, like a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of milk, a poem, a chapter, and before units of price, speed or ratio. Before units of price, speed or ratio. For example, we'll say, how does sugar cost? Speed, for example, it will say, before certain numbers, a million, 1,000, 10,000, to express frequency. To express frequency, and for example, we can say thrice a day, twice a day. So in these phrases we use article a or n. And in exclamatory expressions, you will say, what a beautiful scene, what a beautiful place, or what a dirty whatever. So in these sentences we use the article, indefinite article a or n. And now let's talk about where to be used a article or where to be used an article. Before a word that begins with a consonant sound, there we use the article a, and a word that begins with a vowel sound, there we use an. My dear students, keep in mind we are talking about the sound. We know that in English there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, but if we talk about the consonants, they are 21 in number. But if we talk about the vowel sounds, they are more than 25, 26 sounds. So when we have to see the usage of a or n before a noun, then we have to consider the sound. Like a, e, I, o, u, there are 5 vowels, but they have more than 24 sounds, 25 sounds. And before consonant sound, there always be a usage, and before a vowel sound there would be the usage of n. We will say university. U here is a consonant because it is giving a sound of u, so it will be a. If I'll say a nest here h is silent, so the vowel sound is o, and that's why n would be used. Take example, one-eyed man. One, V sound is there, even though the is initiated with a, n, with o, but even then we'll use here a. So they can be used with both countable nouns, singular and plural, and with uncountable nouns. If we talk about the definite article, it can be used with both countable nouns, singular and plural, and with both uncountable nouns. So let's see where it will be used. Before a singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. Before a singular noun when it refers to a particular class or group. And then names of oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, gulfs, seas and rivers. The next usage is name of oceans. First, see the usage of before a singular noun which refers to a person, particular class or group. The name of oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, gulfs, seas and rivers. You will see the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Himalayan range. So before these words we use the article the. Name of countries, religious books, hotels and buildings. For example, we say the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita. Name of families in plural to refer to a class, races or newspaper. Name of families in plural and to refer a class, races or newspapers. We will say the Kapoors, the Malhotras, the Times of India, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. So with these words we'll use the article the. And we talk about in the superlatives of adjectives. The best, most, the most beautiful. So before superlative degrees of adjective we use article the. And then in expressions like by the dozen, all the students, the same thing we use the article the. Then with abstract nouns, names of materials, meals, colors and games we use the article the. With abstract nouns, names of materials, meals, colors and games. The bravery, the honesty, the childhood, the happiness, the wood, the gold. I have taken the breakfast. Let's take the lunch. Color, I like the orange color. I like the billiards game. I like to play the game Ludo. So expressions like the day, all night, by train, by the ear, we use the article the. So my dear students, the usage of article the is very extensive, and I hope you are getting it, that how and where to use the article a or an and the. So now let's talk about the next usage. So dear students, in the next class we'll discuss more about the determiners. Till the time, just watch this video carefully, and I'm going to share with you an assignment related to this topic. So complete it. Thank you.